Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I got some more Destash. These are going to be dies. Let me see. Yeah, all of them are dies. These are going to be the price plus shipping. If you have any questions about any of them, let me know. And it's U.S. shipping only. PayPal friends and family payment, please. And this Destash is a part of the Destash giveaway that I'm doing. If you're just coming to this and you didn't realize, I will have a link down below that will take you to the original video explaining everything. So this is a giveaway, but it's also a Destash. So just go listen to that video and then go through the ones. You can go through the Destashes that doesn't have sold on it. To see what's left over, okay? Alright, the first thing we're going to have is a Crafter's Companion Die-sire, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's an edgeable. It's these little butterflies, and it's going to be $8. I have used it a couple of times. Alright, and the next one is a Frantics Stamper Die Sun Rays quilted card panel. These are all stitched here. It's $8, and this is the panel. It's not a full card size. It's 3 3/4 by 5. Well, I guess it's almost, but you know, not quite. All right, $8 on that. And then I have a couple of spellbinders. This one is the A2 Fancy Weave. This one here, that's going to be $10. Alright, and the next one is the A2 Fancy Ribbon Threader. And this one is going to be $10 as well. I have used this one, and it's really cute when you do your ribbon through these little slots. And I put in these little dots right here, I put bling. And I think I used one of the tag ones too. So it came out really pretty. That was like last year sometime. But this one's $10. Alright, now I have a Tutti Designs Viney Christmas tree with the deer. This one is $8. I'll put it up close so you can see the detail. See that? And here's the, can't really see it because of the wording and stuff on the back, but here it is. It's pretty big size. Well, alright, $8 on that. The next one is a, this is a memory box. It's the Flourish. This one. And it's real, these lines are real delicate. So this would be, you'd probably have to use your little plate thing to do this one. And this one's $10. Here, I'll take it out so you can see it. Alright. The next one is a Paper Smooches Get Well. It's $3. And another Paper Smooches, what is this called? Stitched Flourishes. You can use these like at the end of a butterfly or a bee, so like they're like flying through the air. They're little bitty stitches. $3 for that. I have a Verve die here. It's a banner. Let's see. It's called Pennant Trim. It's a little banner thing. This one's $3. Okay, and I have a Dynamics, My Favorite Things. This one is a Border-It Numbers, Dynamics LLD Border-It Numbers. This one you can use when you're doing maybe a school layout or something. This says age and grade, so you can put this whole thing on your layout and then circle. This is a circle, and circle which one it is and put like it's for his 6th birthday or something, or 6th grade, and you can put grade or age on there. So it's a really good layout die. Oh, I didn't say how much it was. It's 10 for that one. This is next one is a Cheery Lynn die. It's the borders, flourishes, and edgers. Let me pull it out so you can look at it better. It's Fancy Flourish is the name of it. This is one of the older dies. There you go. This one's $5. Okay. The next one is a Cheery Lynn. It's Lace Egg 2. This is a picture of it. It's $8. And here's the egg. Okay. And then I have a Sizzix Royal Swirls. It's one of these bigger edger dies. It's one of these things. You're going to have to do a different sandwich with these. But it's like 12 inches, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's about 12 inches. But here's what it looks like. All these little flourishes and swirls up here. You can cut it if you want to put it on a card or use it on a layout. This one's going to be $8. Let's see. What about there? It's pretty long. Alright, and this one I have put in a Destash before, and I don't know what it's called. I don't know who it's from. It's a circle die. This is what it looks like when it's out. I did it and put little buttons on it. Like this. I don't know exactly how to use it, but it's I don't know. I have searched and searched for this thing, and I cannot find who it's from or what it's called or anything. So it's $3 if I didn't say that already. Alright, and then I do have a little stray stamp here. It's a Gina stamp. Celebrate in Style. It's $5. It's this little little dress form thing. Okay, and that's it. Just let me know if you're interested in any of these. Again, it's plus shipping, and I will combine shipping on anything that you get on any other Destashes. If you get a Destash that's shipping is already included in it, and you get like 1 or 2 of these things, and I can stick it in the same thing, I won't charge you any extra postage on that. Alright, well, just let me know, and I'll put a link down below again to the original giveaway instructions on there, okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.